Okay, if you have a part that needs to be 3D printed, here are your steps. You will take your part here. You're going to go File, Export, and you'll choose your desktop here. You'll need to put in your name, 3D print, and then the color. So I'm just going to put, in this case, black, since that is what it is. From there, I'll hit Save, Export. Here is that file. I'm going to go to my 3D print folder, open that up, and just drag that in. Again, you'll see your name, how it's being made, so 3D printer, color. If it's not labeled correctly or named correctly, it will be deleted.